A tiny kitten walks outside for the first time. The world feels so big, so empty. No one knows her name, she only wants to find her mama. The street is cold, the lights too bright. Suddenly, cars rush by, and she freezes in the middle of the road. Her little heart beats fast. She doesn't know where to run, she just wants to be safe again. Please, always help cats and take care of them.